Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to create table of content in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Go to table of content or paragraph title and select the text and go to home menu and text format. Click the heading on. And keep the cursor of table of content page and go to reference and click the table of content automatic table 1 automatic table 2. Just click the on. Now check the table of content created. Just press the control and click the mouse icon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.